Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The best paper decorations is probably one of the most enchanting and eco-friendly ways to transform your home into a winter wonderland, offering a delightful blend of nostalgic charm and modern design that can be customized to perfectly match any festive theme, making them a truly versatile and heartwarming addition to your holiday celebrations this year. Number 5. GuassLee 3D Iridescent Christmas Snowflakes Decorations. Transform your space with these beautiful decorations. You'll receive a value pack of 15 iridescent paper snowflakes. They come in 3 different sizes, 9.6, 7.8, and 5.9 inches, with 5 pieces of each. Each one includes a string, making them ready to hang right out of the package. Crafted from premium thick paper card, these glittery snowflakes are both sturdy and elegant. They can be folded flat for easy storage, allowing you to enjoy them year after year. These iridescent cutouts are ideal for winter wonderland parties, Christmas, New Year, or even frozen-themed birthdays. They will tremendously brighten your holiday home decorations. Featuring a unique 3D design, they look stunning hanging from ceilings, doorways, or any other spot. They will bring a truly magical atmosphere to your house. These laser rainbow snowflakes arrive flat, each with its own string for easy assembly. Just take a moment to punch out the holes and bend them to achieve their beautiful dimensional look. We value your trust and are committed to your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues with these glittery decorations, our customer service team is ready to assist you sincerely. What we like? These offer a magical 3D iridescent effect that truly stands out. With multiple sizes and a reusable design, they are perfect for creating a stunning winter wonderland. If you are looking for decorations that sparkle and can be used year after year, these are an excellent choice for a truly enchanting display. What people say. Number 4. Blulu 10 Pieces Christmas Cutouts Decoration. You'll receive 10 charming Christmas cutouts featuring various winter elements like Santa, snowmen, and trees. This set also includes 40 glue dots for effortless decorating. These cutouts come in a suitable size, with the largest being 11 by 11 inches. Their diverse colors and shapes will instantly brighten any room, perfect for your home or party. Crafted from sturdy, double-sided cards, they are built to last. The laminated surface makes them reusable and slightly waterproof, ideal for bulletin boards, windows, or doors. These cutouts are a fantastic addition to your holiday festivities. Use them to adorn walls, windows, doors, or even as fun photo booth props. They will beautifully complement your celebration. They are perfect for Christmas crafts, seasonal projects, or simply enhancing your holiday decor. These charming pieces will undoubtedly create a more joyful Christmas atmosphere. What we like? This set provides 10 vintage-themed cutouts with double-sided prints. They are laminated for durability, making them reusable for various occasions. If you like a classic, retro Christmas aesthetic and need versatile decorations for bulletin boards, windows, or even photo props, this collection is ideal for adding a nostalgic touch. What people say. Number 3. Festive Paper Party Decoration Kit. This comprehensive decoration kit brings joy to any celebration. It includes a variety of paper fans, garlands, honeycomb balls, and pom-poms, ensuring your event is beautifully adorned. Perfect for Christmas, birthdays, or any special gathering, these decorations create a festive atmosphere. They also make wonderful photo backdrops or thoughtful gifts for loved ones. Crafted from degradable paper, these decorations are an eco-conscious choice. They are designed to be reused, saving you money and reducing waste for future celebrations. Assembly is a breeze with these decorations, simply fold and unfold. They empower you to enjoy the DIY decorating process without any hassle or difficulty. Whether indoors or out, these decorations can be hung from ceilings, walls, or doorways. They beautifully enhance any party, serving as stunning backdrops or elegant table centerpieces. What we like? This complete decoration set includes a variety of paper fans, garlands, and pom-poms. Made from degradable paper, they are an eco-friendly choice and are super easy to assemble. If you want a comprehensive, coordinated, and environmentally conscious decoration solution for any party, this set provides everything you need for a festive atmosphere. What people say. Number 2. Santa Tissue Tree Centerpiece. Introducing the Santa Tissue Tree Centerpiece, a delightful addition to any celebration. This charming accessory brings holiday cheer right to your table. You'll find this item offers incredible value for its festive appeal. It's an affordable way to enhance your holiday decor. Each package contains one complete centerpiece, ready for immediate display. Simply unbox it and place it where you want to spread joy. It's specifically designed for winter and Christmas parties, making it the ideal choice for your seasonal gatherings. Let it set the perfect festive mood. Crafted with high-quality materials, this centerpiece is built to impress. Its sturdy construction ensures it will be a highlight of your decor. What we like? This charming Santa centerpiece features a festive tissue tree accent. It's a high-quality item designed to be a focal point for your table. If you are looking for a simple yet impactful centerpiece to instantly elevate your holiday table decor, this accessory is a perfect choice to add a touch of festive cheer. What people say. Number 1. Juvale Gingerbread Party Supplies Set. Transform your festive events with this delightful gingerbread party set. It offers a charming array of plates and napkins, perfect for any gingerbread-themed celebration. This complete set stylishly serves up to 24 guests. Infuse your holiday table with irresistible charm. Each disposable plate and napkin features festive gingerbread motifs, adding a whimsical touch to your Christmas party tableware. They truly enhance your decor. Simplify your post-party tidying with this convenient disposable set. Crafted for easy disposal, it helps maintain a festive atmosphere without the fuss. Enjoy the practicality of its disposable flatware, giving you more time with your guests. Trust in the premium quality of these paper dinner plates. They are designed to resist folding and tearing, even when holding various dishes. Each piece, including the disposable paper cups, ensures durability throughout your entire event. This gingerbread tableware offers ideal dimensions to suit any occasion. With 9-inch plates and 9-ounce cups, it's both functional and festive. It enhances your decor beautifully, making your party planning simple. What we like? This is a massive 144-piece set of gingerbread-themed plates and napkins. It offers disposable convenience without sacrificing durability, ensuring a smooth event. If you are hosting a large gingerbread-themed party and want stylish, hassle-free cleanup, this comprehensive tableware set is perfect for serving up to 24 guests. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.